you. Siyempre guys, congratulations. Paskong Pasko, may pasabog kayo para sa mga VMX fans and supporters. Siguro, unang-una, ano yung role ninyo? Ano yung mga pasabog niyo dito sa Lamas? Without spoiling.
Um, Friend po ko ni Mona here. And then, very adventurous. Yun ang masasabi ko. And then, let's see kung, yes, panoodin nyo kung ano talaga yung gagawin namin doon.
Ako po dito si Lucy and isa po akong hardworking na babae and medyo may trauma sa mga lalaki. And let's see, tingnan niyo din kung anong mangyayari between me and Mona and syempre sa tatay niya na si Sir Mark Anthony Fernandez.
Ayun, I play the role of Mona. She's a baker, so she's really into bread. But yeah, my character here is kind of like a good girl, very sheltered, and etong dalawang to will really help me, explore and get the freedom that my character wants.
Siyempre kasama niyo rito si D. Mark Anthony Fernandez. Alam, hindi naman, ayoko sabihing veteran kasi hindi naman siya ganyan katanda. Pero he's one of the good actors that we have. How was it working with Mark Anthony, of course, one of the best actors that we have. Ikaw, tatay ka niya rito.
Yeah, it was chill. I worked with him before sa Bisho. But yeah, super chill lang. Yeah, he's a really good actor, and yeah.
Ikaw.
Ito first time ko po actually maka-work si Sir Mark Anthony and sobrang cool niya makatrabaho, sobrang kulit, syempre kailangan, gabi na kasi yon so medyo pagod na. So ayun, siya yung nagpapa-hype sa set. Tapos maalaga naman siya during love scene pag alam nyo na, siya na yung cover pag wala pa yung wardrobe namin. Super gaan kasama ni Sir Mark.
I don't have any scene kasi with Sir Mark, yes. Pero before I work with him, wala din naman kami masyadong scene, pero magaling. Magaling talaga siya and respectful.
DMX mo dapat meron.
Sana nga po.
DMX.
Yeah.
Tama ang